Hi, hello friends. Today I come with one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section, search RMI trend sniper and add one more indicator, that is volume supported linear regression. Now both the indicators are applied. In the settings, RMI, make the length 20. The settings of volume supported linear regression indicator, make the length 30 and long term length 30. When the RMI trend sniper gives you the red signal along with the volume supported indicator gives you the red histogram, sell the call. When the RMI trend sniper gives you the green signal along with the volume supported indicator gives you the green histogram, buy the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.